Hello lovelies, welcome back. Today we are making yam porridge, so sit back and let's get started. Please like and share. Thank you. First I'm going to cook my fish. I'm using hagfish. You can use any fish of your choice. I will season with seasoning cubes, thyme, chopped onions and salt. I will add water, cover and allow it to cook. Once that is done, I will remove it from the stock, allow it to cool a bit. Next I will debone it and set aside. The next step is to make my stew base. In my preheated oil, I will go in with my chopped onions, allow it to fry until translucent. Next I will add my tomato paste, mix well to combine and allow it to fry until the sour taste is gone. I will proceed by adding my scotch bonnet pepper, grounded crayfish and seasoning cubes. I will mix well to combine and add my fish stock. Next I will add my yam and give it a good stir, cover and allow it to cook on a low heat so that the yam will absorb the stew very well. At this time I check on the yam and the salt. Next I will add my deboned fish and fresh curry leaves. I will give it a good mix and allow it to simmer for 3 to 5 minutes. 5 minutes later I will give it a good mix and we are done. I hope you enjoyed watching today's video. Thank you for watching and see you in my next one. Bye!